Our planet teems with life, a breathtaking tapestry of diverse species. From the dense rainforests to the vast oceans, every corner of the Earth is brimming with life forms that have evolved over millions of years. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Yet this natural heritage faces an unprecedented crisis. Human activities such as deforestation, pollution and climate change are wreaking havoc on the delicate balance of nature. The once thriving habitats are now under threat, and the consequences are dire. Across continents and oceans, animals are disappearing at an alarming rate. Species that once roamed freely are now on the brink of extinction, their numbers dwindling with each passing day. The loss of these species is not just a tragedy for the animals themselves, but for the entire planet. We are living through what scientists call the sixth mass extinction, a period of rapid species loss driven by human activities. Unlike previous mass extinctions caused by natural events, this one is largely the result of human actions. The rate at which species are disappearing is unprecedented in human history. The Earth's ecosystems are delicately balanced, with each species playing a vital role. The intricate relationships between species ensure the stability and health of our environment. When one species is lost, it can set off a chain reaction that affects many others. The loss of even a single species can have cascading effects, disrupting food chains and impacting entire ecosystems. For example, the decline of a predator can lead to an overpopulation of prey species, which in turn can deplete vegetation and alter the landscape. Consider the intricate web of life in a rainforest, where the fate of jaguars is intertwined with that of monkeys, sloths, and countless other creatures. The disappearance of one species can have far-reaching consequences, affecting the entire ecosystem and the many species that depend on it. This essay explores the plight of endangered animals, those on the brink of vanishing forever. We will look at the factors that have led to their decline, from habitat destruction to poaching and climate change. These animals are not just statistics, they are living beings with a right to exist. We will delve into the factors pushing them towards extinction and, more importantly, examine the actions we can take to safeguard their future. Conservation efforts around the world are making a difference, but much more needs to be done. From reforestation projects to wildlife protection initiatives, there are many ways we can help. The time to act is now, for the sake of these magnificent creatures and for the health of our planet. By working together, we can create a future where both humans and wildlife can thrive. It is our responsibility to protect the natural world and ensure that future generations can experience the wonder and beauty of our planet's diverse species. The term endangered carries a weighty significance in the world of conservation. It serves as a stark warning, a label assigned to species teetering on the precipice of extinction. But how does a species earn this designation? The International Union for Conservation of Nature employs a rigorous system to assess the conservation status of species worldwide. The IUCN Red List of Threatened Species categorizes species based on their risk of extinction. Endangered is the second most severe category, indicating a very high risk of extinction in the wild. Several factors determine a species' placement on the Red List, including population size, rate of decline, geographic range, and threats faced. For instance, a species with a rapidly shrinking population confined to a small geographic area and facing severe threats like habitat loss or poaching is likely to be classified as endangered. The IUCN's assessments provide crucial information for guiding conservation efforts and prioritizing resources to protect the most vulnerable species. In the dense, snow-covered forests of the Russian Far East roams a creature of immense power and beauty, the Amur tiger. The largest of all tiger subspecies, the Amur tiger, also known as the Siberian tiger, is a symbol of strength and resilience. Yet this apex predator faces an uncertain future, its very existence threatened by human activities. Once widespread throughout the Russian Far East, northeastern China and the Korean Peninsula, the Amur tiger's range has shrunk dramatically. Habitat loss due to deforestation for logging, agriculture and development is a primary threat to the species. Poaching for their valuable fur and body parts used in traditional Chinese medicine poses another significant danger. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining Amur tiger population, including anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration and community engagement programs. However, the survival of this magnificent creature hinges on our collective commitment to addressing the root causes of its decline. Section 4. A solitary existence, the Javan rhino's plight. The story of the Javan rhino is one of both awe and sorrow, a tale of survival against the odds in a world that is rapidly changing. On the Indonesian island of Java, a solitary creature roams the dense rainforests, the Javan rhino. This elusive animal, often shrouded in the mist of the jungle, is a symbol of nature's resilience and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Critically endangered and teetering on the brink of extinction, the Javan rhino is one of the rarest large mammals on Earth. With fewer than 75 individuals left, each rhino represents a critical link in the chain of biodiversity. With its distinctive single horn and armor-like skin, the Javan rhino is a relic of a bygone era, a testament to the incredible biodiversity our planet once held. These unique features not only make the Javan rhino a fascinating subject of study, but also a poignant reminder of what we stand to lose. Today, fewer than 75 Javan rhinos are left in the wild, confined to a single national park in western Java. Ujung Kulon National Park serves as their last sanctuary, a place where they can roam freely, albeit within a limited range. Habitat loss due to deforestation for agriculture, plantations and human settlements is the most significant threat to their survival. As forests are cleared, the rhino's habitat shrinks, leaving them with fewer resources and increasing the risk of inbreeding. Poaching for their horns, highly valued in traditional Asian medicine, also poses a severe danger. Despite international bans, the black market for rhino horn continues to thrive, driven by myths of its medicinal properties. The Indonesian government, along with conservation organizations, is working tirelessly to protect the remaining Javan rhinos. Rangers patrol the forests day and night, risking their lives to prevent poaching and ensure the rhinos' safety. Efforts include intensive patrolling to deter poaching, habitat restoration, and research to better understand their ecology and behavior. Conservationists are also working on breeding programs and exploring the possibility of creating new habitats to expand their living space. The future of this iconic species hangs in the balance, a stark reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. The Javan rhino's plight calls for global attention and action, urging us to protect not just a species, but the intricate web of life that sustains us all. Every effort counts, and with continued dedication, there is hope that the Javan rhino will once again thrive in the wild. Section 5. Ancient mariners in danger. The hawksbill turtle. These magnificent creatures have roamed the oceans for millions of years, their lineage tracing back to the time of the dinosaurs. Across the world's tropical oceans, a remarkable creature navigates vast distances guided by an internal compass, the hawksbill turtle. With their unique ability to traverse thousands of miles, they connect diverse marine ecosystems, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans. Named for its narrow, pointed beak, the hawksbill turtle is a critically endangered species, its populations decimated by human activities. This distinctive beak allows them to reach into crevices of coral reefs to feed on sponges, a diet that few other marine animals can sustain. These ancient mariners play a vital role in marine ecosystems, grazing on sponges and controlling their populations on coral reefs. By doing so, they help maintain the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem, ensuring that corals have the space to grow and thrive. Hawksbill turtles face a multitude of threats, many stemming from our actions. Their numbers have plummeted due to overexploitation for their beautiful shells, which are highly prized in the illegal wildlife trade. Entanglement in fishing gear, particularly gill nets and longlines, is a significant cause of mortality. These fishing methods, while effective for catching fish, often ensnare unintended marine life, including hawksbill turtles, leading to injury or death. Coastal development destroys their nesting beaches, crucial for laying eggs and incubating hatchlings. As humans expand their footprint along coastlines, the natural habitats of these turtles are increasingly encroached upon, leaving fewer safe places for them to reproduce. Pollution from plastic waste, oil spills and other sources further degrades their marine habitat. Plastic debris can be mistaken for food, leading to ingestion and often fatal consequences. Oil spills contaminate the water, affecting not just the turtles but the entire marine food web. International cooperation is crucial to protect hawksbill turtles throughout their migratory routes. These turtles do not recognize national boundaries, and their conservation requires a coordinated effort across countries and continents. Efforts include establishing marine protected areas, reducing bycatch in fisheries, and combating illegal trade in their shells, highly prized for their beauty. Marine protected areas provide safe havens where turtles can feed, breed, and migrate without the threat of human interference. By addressing these threats, we can help ensure the survival of these ancient mariners for generations to come. Conservation programs that protect nesting sites, regulate fisheries, and raise awareness about the plight of hawksbill turtles are essential. Together, we can make a difference and preserve the legacy of these incredible creatures.